To apply credits to invoices in QuickBooks efficiently, follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand the concept of credits in QuickBooks, which represent the amount of money a customer has paid in advance or has been overpaid. These credits can be applied to future invoices to save time and money by reducing the need for refunds and minimizing accounting errors. Start by opening QuickBooks and navigating to the customer's profile. Locate the customer's name and click on it to view their account details. In the Customer Account window, click on the Apply Credits button. This will open a new window where you can select the specific credit you want to apply to an invoice. Choose the credit you want to apply by selecting the date and amount of the credit. Make sure to choose the correct credit to avoid applying the wrong credit to an invoice. After selecting the credit, click on the Apply to Invoice button. Next, select the invoice you want to apply the credit to. You can choose an existing invoice or create a new one. Enter the invoice details as you normally would, but this time, QuickBooks will automatically deduct the credit amount from the total due. To complete the process, review the invoice details carefully to ensure the credit has been applied correctly. If everything looks correct, click on the Save and Close button to save the changes. Best practices for applying credits to invoices in QuickBooks include regularly reviewing customer accounts to identify available credits, applying credits to invoices as soon as possible to avoid delays, and keeping accurate records of credits and invoices to ensure compliance with accounting standards. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently apply credits to invoices in QuickBooks, saving time and money while maintaining accurate financial records. Remember to always review and verify the credits and invoices to ensure accuracy and compliance with accounting standards.